Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Pajama Gamer 13. But this time, Emily's wearing her jammies, not me. And today we are going to be closing our eyes and picking 3 magical glues. And we also close our eyes, pick some glitters, and then we have an option if we want googly eyes. And then we also add activator. Rock, paper, scissors. I'm going to beat you. I like scents. I already know what you're gonna pick. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I was gonna pick rock so I could smash you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes, darn it! Okay, you can mix them up.
Okay, I'm gonna just move.
Don't stand up. Your head's gonna be out of the video. Okay, I have to close my eyes.
Close your eyes, no peeking.
I'm not peeking. I can't.
Shenanigans!
I can't see anything.
Yeah.
Can I pick?
Nope.
Now?
I'll tell you when you can pick. Right now, so I'm just gonna do some. Your go.
Okay.
1.
Can I get a glow in the dark, please? No.
2.
I can't see.
Oh, you got blue, yellow.
Okay, now we have to pick glitter. You don't mix them up.
I'm gonna mix them up.
No, you can't. Okay, fine. Mix them up just a little bit. Oh man.
Wait, I'm not ready yet. Wait. No cheatsies.
I'm not. Come on.
I'm almost finished.
Let me.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick this glitter.
Interesting.
And I'm gonna pick this glitter.
You got yellow and purple.
Literally, like, I didn't even plan this out, but I get yellow glitter glue and yellow glitter and purple glitter glue and purple glitter.
Okay, your go.
Ridiculous.
Your turn to do your shenanigans.
Okay, put that there, put that there. Put this over here.
Have you finished yet?
No. Put that there. We're gonna put that there. We're gonna you're peeking.
No.
And put that there.
Are you ready yet?
Yeah, you can pick. Wait, gotta stand them up. Okay, go. Ooh.
I can tell that's white glue, I think. Maybe. Because of the sides, I feel like this sticker. For some reason.
Ah, dang it.
I won't.
No, dang it! You're getting the good color. Ooh. No! She's got the best color.
I picked light purple slime! Yay!
She got all glow in the darks. And
No,
I literally got
2 glow in the darks doesn't work.
I literally got yellow glitter glue and yellow glitter.
Wait, I have to pick my glitters. I just
I'm gonna
forgot.
mix them up so you will get the bad stuff.
Actually, I kind of like all these glitters. Except for the orange
black
color.
glitter that you... Close your eyes.
Closing.
Oh, you're gonna get the bad stuff.
No!
You're just gonna get
I like all the colors, so I'm fine with it.
Dang it. I wish you liked none of the colors.
Oh!
Okay, wait. Gotta switch this up and that.
Are you ready yet?
Wait, yeah. Okay, go. Oh my goodness. Please, no. No way!
What?
Guys, we didn't even plan this out, but I got yellow glitter and yellow glitter glue. I got purple glitter and purple glitter glue.
I got pink glitter and pink glow in the dark, blue glitter and blue glow in the dark. There's white glitter, so if we picked 3 colors of glitter,
Guys, this
I could
isn't-
have gotten white glitter with white glue.
This isn't even planned.
This
and
is
we
so
already,
weird.
Okay, I'm just gonna
start
making. I'm gonna actually add googly eyes.
Yeah, I'm gonna add a couple of googly eyes.
I'm just gonna let that sit.
I think it's fine.
Okay.
Oh, this is so pretty.
You're like the luckiest, duckiest in the world.
Well, I felt for the sides. You didn't feel for the sides.
I was trying to put the glow in the darks in the back, so you would just pick the ones up front.
What?
Yes, I am amazing.
You're evil.
I know, thank you. I'm gonna add one more. Just because I feel like it.
Okay, now for Maddie.
Oh, wow.
Mine,
Mine's already glittery. I don't even need glitter. I'm so mad.
mine's already glittery too.
I'm so disappointed with my stuff. Oh, some glitter came out. Just gonna add some purple glitter on top of my purple already. Ooh la la. I am not very excited.
You're gonna have like
Blue.
green and
Save me!
What does green and purple make?
I don't know. I'm gonna search that up on the internet.
Well, you're about to find out.
But I'm adding blue, so completely change.
Yeah, green and yellow make green. I mean, blue and yellow make green. And then what do you add with that? Purple.
I don't know about that.
Add some glittery. Glitter, glitter.
Ooh, let's
Yeah.
go.
You use like the whole bottle.
I mean, there's still like a good amount. Oh, yours
That's
looks
so
so
good.
good.
I'm not gonna add too much white glue because I don't want to be too light.
You know, maybe you'll just be generous and we can like, swap it.
No.
Aw.
Jacob, I have a question for the next slime video. If we do like picking from the papers again.
Okay, no, that idea is already old. And if you haven't checked out that video, go check it out.
No, if we could add a switch up into the pile.
I'm gonna switch it up, and I'm gonna switch it up with you like 10 times.
No, there's only gonna be one switch up.
Oh. Oh, I kind of added a lot of blue, but I don't care because I want
Yeah,
blue.
because that's already making green.
I don't care. It's gonna
Green,
be amazing.
green.
Googly eyes for the win. Ha ha ha. Two.
I'll get it open.
My hands are artistica.
You're probably wondering how I did that. Googly eyes.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Gimme.
Gonna put 5.
This is a good amount, right? Probably a little more.
I'm adding 5.
I love googly eyes. So.
Googly.
Guys, this is my slime so far. It's looking amazing.
Mine
Not
looks
really.
really good.
I want
Okay.
more googly eyes, just a little bit more.
Why?
Because I
One more.
like googly eyes. They're
Mine
gonna.
might be really glittery.
Can
so
I please have the Activa?
I'm gonna add some first.
Fine.
It's on my side. And you got to pick your glues and glitters first.
Because I won.
Yeah.
Obviously. Yours is gonna look so nice. Guys, mine's already green and I haven't even mixed it up. I'm so disappointed.
Well, you're adding purple to green. I don't know how that's gonna turn out.
A little bit more. Okay. I'm gonna probably need to add more activator, but it's okay because we have a lot. This is gonna be.
This is turning out beautiful.
Luckiest, duckiest in the worldiest. Just
It's a very, very light purple. I love this.
Ew.
Best slime in the world.
Mine is gonna be greeny for the weenie-ish. The weenie-ish.
The what?
The win-ish.
Oh, I had a green slime like that in the last video.
In the last video. If you
But it was darker. Well, like
Mine's not. Oh, get the googly eyes in. We gotta mix them up. Come on, googly
they're
eyes.
sticking to the side.
The googly eyes won't even help me. They're the ones that are gonna win. These are the ones that are
Well,
gonna.
I added googly eyes too. You can barely see them, but whatever.
Ah, boo! Disqualified. Well, mine's clear because I have more clear glue.
Yeah, you only added 1.
Yeah, but these are more clear, I guess. I don't care. I can still see them a lot. Yeah, the googly eyes aren't coming in too well.
Yeah, you have to like scrape down the sides. All my googly eyes are.
I added a good amount of activator, probably just a little bit more, because as you can
It's
see,
goop.
it's a big. Ooh, I added a little too much, but it's okay.
I need a lot to fix this goopy mess.
I'm gonna mix it up a lot, and ooh la la.
I think that's good.
Mine's not mixing; it's just random colors, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, it's gonna be a rainbow.
Yours is like
Purple. It's beautiful. It's really, really glittery like my last slime.
Ew, look at my spoon.
That would be weird.
Do you like my soup? It's spooky soup. This is like Halloween soup. I'm eating Halloween soup.
It's so goopy. You've got to fix it.
I added way too much activator because you can see there's still wetness on the side. Ooh, it feels good.
Mine looks disgusting. I need more activator.
What? No,
No, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Goop. You gonna touch it? Yeah, that's really, really sticky. Real sticky there. Need some more. Yeah, I'll see you later.
Okay, whoa. Coming in with the whoa. Yeah, mine.
Last time in the last video, Jacob just added a little more activator and then what is this? Sticky?
Yeah, mine is kind of still sticky, but it's
That's slime. Look at that. Look at that.
mine's like it feels watery, but it's like sticky and it feels just.
You need something dry to fix that.
It's fine. I don't care. I mean, I could
Look at
add.
that. Look at that.
I could add more glue if I wanted to. Probably.
Yeah, but you have to add the same colors.
No, I'm only gonna add just a smidge more purple, just a little.
Yeah, because
I used the least amount of it, and plus I just need a little more.
in my last video, I didn't even have half the bottle. I didn't even have half the whole bottle.
You barely added any.
Yeah, that's because I don't want too big of a slime.
Okay, I mean that's not a lot, but it'll do to help with make up everything. Mine's like yellowish. It's like not really forming into a color, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, it's gonna be like rainbow. But once you mix it with your hands, it'll more like form into a color, I think.
It's pretty good.
It's more like yellow and green than purple.
No, it's fine. I didn't even add
It's
purple.
really clear though.
Oh, wait. I added purple, right? I
Yeah.
forgot. I feel like I added a different color with yellow and then my blue. Something just feels weird about it. It's like sticky and watery.
You should do the blindfold slime challenge.
No, I mean, that was kind of odd. No, I'm okay. Maybe next.
Yeah, maybe.
I need like, it feels wet, but it feels like I need more activator. It's so weird. But it's weird. I don't get it.
It's really gooey.
I need just a smidge, like a tiny.
I need a lot of activator. It's still goopy.
Still?
Yeah, it's like.
Guys, my slime is. Oh, it's more like turning into a slime now.
Mine's turning into.
I'm gonna touch it now because I feel like it. I don't have a paper towel.
Perfect!
Oh, goodness gracious.
You just need to mix a little bit more.
Mine's automatically the winner.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Okay, that's.
I'm gonna add a bit more blue, just a little bit.
Guys, Emily, what I think mine is gonna be googly eyes for the win. Googly eyes for the win, guys. What are you? Do you think it's gonna be like purpley for the winily? That doesn't make sense. Mine feels pretty good for the most part. It's a bit sticky, but it feels watery. So I don't really
Just
know.
gonna mix this blue a little.
But for the Emily, what do you think? If you have people,
I don't know.
what?
I'm gonna go for.
We gotta move this Activa. Emily, what? I think mine's gonna be eyeballs for the win. What's yours gonna be?
I think mine's gonna be the violet purple for the win.
Yeah, guys,
Violet
that's pretty much the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys on next video.